Good afternoon, boys and girls. It's LaLa here. And guess where I went today? To look for Chester. Where did he go? I think he's on a farm today. Let's see what Chester found on his adventures. Wow, look. Do you think he found chickens? Look at all their colors. What else could he find? There's another one on the farm. You hear him? Excuse me, do you know where Chester is? My guinea pig? Oh, we got llamas. Do you think these llamas know where Chester is? Have you seen my friend Chester? And some emus? Hey, do you know where my friend Chester is? This curious little guinea pig. Where could he have went? Where could he have went? Where is he? Is he with the goats? What do goats say? Bah. Hi, Mr. Goat. What do goats say? Can we count them? How many goats? Look, it's gonna let LaLa pet it. See all the goats? So much fun down on the farm Chester's having. Look at this goat. He's white with horns. And here's a baby one. Hi, little baby. Are you hungry? Chester's always hungry too. Maybe he came to eat all the food. Here we are with the donkeys. Have you seen my friend Chester? Have you seen him? Wonder if he's eating all their food. Look at their ears. You see their ears? Look, they're eating carrots. You guys like carrots? I like carrots. Look at all those donkeys. I count 1, 2, 3, and they are hungry. Bet you Chester had fun visiting them. Now, if only I could find him in this farm. I wonder if Chester went and saw the horse. Do you think? Chester is so silly. Here's an emu eating his snack. I think he's one of Chester's best friends. Look how big he is. He's for sure letting Chester have fun and hiding him. What do you think? All the tractors doing the work on the farm. All his farm friends are letting him have so much fun without me. Wait till LaLa gets Chester. Should I go look for him some more? Should I get him? I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get that silly Chester. Sure you haven't seen Chester? Sure? Okay. Is he in here? This is where our friends eat. This is where they get snacks. You think he went in there and ate all those snacks up? I bet you he did. Look at all these hungry goats, all getting in line for their food. Hi. Look at those horns. Have you seen Chester? Sir, have you? Chester, there you are. You sneaky little thing. I was chasing you on the farm all day. And yet somehow you're safe in your crate, in your little home. You sneaky little Chester. Whew, that was scary. LaLa went through the whole farm with all the farm friends to find Chester, and here he is, safe in his home. Chester and his crazy adventures. He is so silly. Well, that's it for today, boys and girls. Can you believe all the things that Chester saw today? Maybe we'll see him on another adventure, guys. Bye-bye.